Do you know some laptop shops are editing the specs on your laptop? And they do it directly on Windows Registry, on your system settings. And in this video, we'll cover two things. First, I'll show you how exactly they do it. And in the second part, I'm going to show you how to check the real specs and never get played again. I want first to show you the original specs for my laptop. So I'll open Task Manager and then I'll show you the exact specs. I'll go to the performance and then you can see that my processor name is Intel Core i5 4300U CPU, then 1.9 GHz. Okay, if I go to the system settings, system information, you can also confirm that it is as it is on the Task Manager. And if I also go to the command prompt, it will reveal the same information. I'm going to show you how to change it. The first thing that you do is tap on this Windows icon and then you will search for registry. Then tap on it. It will open this up and then say yes. You'll find these folders arranged in this manner. So you're supposed to just tap on this drop down icon and then go to hardware and then tap on the description, that drop down menu, and then you'll tap on the central processor here and you'll find several folders here, 0, 1, 2, 3. Mine has 4 folders. However, yours could be different, right? So the first thing that you do is tap on this 0. If you tap on it, some files will appear here. You need to find this file called processor name here. Here it is, and then you can see some description here. So you're supposed to right click on it and then modify, and then here I can change this number here to maybe 2.9, and then I'll change the generation from 4th generation to, let's say, 10th generation, right? Now, and after that, I copy the whole thing, copy, and then tap OK. I go to this other folder, I do the same thing on that same file, modify, delete everything, and then paste the one that I've just modified. And then I go to the third folder, right click on it, modify, delete, and then control paste, file again, modify, delete, control V. Okay. After that, you need to close this Windows Registry. Close it. Now, after changing the details in the Windows Registry, I will open my Task Manager again. And then I'll go to the processor or even the performance. And then you can see that it has changed from i5 4th generation to 10. And then I have changed the gigahertz, right? Also at this point, you can see that it has changed. If I go to the system settings, go to the settings and then settings, and then I'll search for system, about your PC here. You will see that the processor name has changed. And also you can confirm that everything has changed here. Even if I open CMD, command prompt, and then type system info, and then hit the enter key, you should see that you'll see that some details have changed here, right? Now that you have seen how they do it, here's the good news. They can only manipulate the files inside Windows. The actual hardware never lies. If you freshly reinstall Windows, your real specs will show up because there are no edited files. So we bypass Windows and completely go straight to the BIOS. BIOS runs before Windows loads. So it sees your real hardware directly. And here is how to get there. Turn off everything, turn off your system and then reboot it. I'm going to restart it and then restart. And as the system is starting, you're supposed to press this F1 here, this F1 function key. And then it will open in this window that will appear. Look at this. You can now see the original specs. You can see Intel i5 43U CPU and the base speed is 1.9 GHz. We modified it to 2.9 but now it is 1.9. The information here is very correct, and it's not changed at all, right? And that is how you view the original specs. And that's it. Be productive and stay safe out there.